How to keep track of your data usage? Do you consistently blow your paycheck on cellular data coverage fees? Or how to keep an eye on how much data your iPhone or iPad, Android device and Chromebook uses? Table of contents: if you have been hit by heavy overage fees on your data plan for your mobile phone, tablet or Chromebook, or if you have considered changing your plan but don't know which one will work best for you, it's time to start keeping track of your data usage. Here I explain how to monitor your data usage, including what you need to know before you start. I also recommend an app for iOS and Android that punches some numbers for you and send you alerts when you are creeping up on your data cap. If you have a rollover data plan, you might want to see if your phone service provider offers an app or text messages alert system for keeping track of your data, as the calculations are not so straightforward. Although some people think rollover plans are a fishy proposition anyway, even more complicated are shareable rollover data plans. Again, see if the carrier offers its own data monitoring tools. Those will serve you best. No matter what device you have or what data carrier you use, there are two things you need to do before you can monitor your data usage effectively. Look up how much data you get each month. You can often find your monthly data allowance online when you sign into your carrier account, and sometimes it's listed on your bill, which might be in your email if you get paperless statements. Some carriers have an app that will tell you, or a dedicated messaging address that sends your monthly data allowance alongside how much data you have used in the current month anytime you text it. Find out when your bill cycle begins and ends. It's not a given that your monthly data plan begins on the first of the month and ends on the last day. Similar to credit card billing cycles, your phone data plan might reset on what seems to you like a random day. Look up your billing cycle dates in the same places you looked for your data allowance. How to monitor data usage on an iPhone or iPad? iPhone $0.00 at Amazon and iPad $445.00 at eBay have data usage tracking built into the settings. Find it in Settings, Cellular, and scroll down until you see cellular data usage. If you have never looked at this running meter before, it's not going to show you anything of use because it displays lifetime cellular data usage unless you have pressed the reset statistics button way at the bottom of the page, which you clearly have not if you have never looked at this page before. That's the deal. This matter is only useful if you remember to check it regularly and remember to reset it the day after your billing cycle ends. That's a lot of manual work and chances are you shall forget. A better solution is to use an app, and I recommend my data manager free, and it's the same one I recommend for Android users.